Hello friends, I will discuss about networking. When a number of computers are connected in order to communicate or share information, they form a network, which is called computer networks. Example, internet. Now, what are nodes? The computer within a network that originate, route and terminate the data are called nodes. Network can be of two types, intranet and internet. Intranet. It refers to a network that is private to an organization. On the other hand, internet is open to all, anyone can connect to it. Advantages of networking. It cost effective, easy to backup, good communication tool, easy access to remote database, it accelerates efficiency. We experience real-time delivery. Types of network. PAN, Personal Area Network. This kind of network covers only a few meters of an area. It can be easily set up between two devices. It is built using USB cable, that is wired media, or Bluetooth, that is wireless media. LAN, Local Area Network. It covers a few kilometers of an area and usually links the devices in that area. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. It can cover about a few 100-kilometer area in radius, basically a city. It allows a high-speed connection for users who need high-speed connectivity. WAN, Wide Area Network, can cover a large geographical area, such as a country, a continent, or even the whole world. Internet is an example of WAN. Components of a network are network interface card, network cable, hub, and switch. Network interface card provides the interconnection between the network and the computer. Network cable, it is a connector which is commonly used to link the network interface card and hub. RJ45 is an 8-wire network cable. Hub, it is the network device which connects several devices to exchange data between them. Switch, preferred over hubs due to their efficiency. A switch prevents data collision and reduces network congestion, thereby increasing the network performance. Various types of network topology are point-to-point topology, bus topology, star topology, ring topology, tree topology, and mesh topology. Now, point-to-point topology. Two nodes are directly linked to each other. It is faster and more reliable. Bus topology, all devices are connected to a linear cable called bus or trunk. Star topology, all the devices are connected to a central device called hub or switch. Each device is linked to a central hub through a separate cable, thus it requires more cables. Ring topology. All the computers and peripherals are connected to one another in the form of a ring. It is losing its popularity because it offers only unidirectional data flow. Tree topology. It is formed with a group of star networks connected to a bus. Therefore, this is also called star bus topology. Mesh topology. Each node has point-to-point link between each other.